Right, it's time for a spin now. It's going away with the water. It's going all the water out, but and look at that inside the water, like the water coming out. Yes. Well, it's going very bubblyish. I don't know why it's coming like it, but you know. Well, trying to stuck with the salt into the water, but it did. Well, it's just going to something up, then it will. Inside, there's a bubble in there, inside there, but it's over there. There's not a bubble in here, but you know. Yeah, but there was too many bubbles here, but because I don't know why there's too many bubbles in here, but that's because there was too many bubbles in here. That's why. Yeah, this can only spin out, but yep, it's getting all out now. Yeah, the ball's going away now. Trying all the way into the bubble, into it, but well, it counts because the wash. Well, I was going to say I was doing spinning or something. Doing more spinning. Some stopped going away now. Well, I'm not going to do any wins today because I'm in a hurry in the wash now because it's going to stop now. And still, there is a bit of there, but I'm just going to say, I'm going to shut that. And there's too many bubbles in here sometimes. But once it gets to spin, it doesn't come out very well because getting rid of water a bit. I think that was too much because of the water here. We'll see what happens if it's done. I hope it might not do that, but I hope the water where. I think it's in up there. Well, it is not. It is gone to water. And for some reason, it's gonna. But it's got stopping it. But I'm gonna pause this because there's too many bubbles here because of the. I'll pause this until this will do the water.